Good news about Jesus according to Mark chapter 2. Jesus healed one crippled man. After a couple days, Jesus go back to Capernaum and news spread all about same come home. So people start to gather up at him house and the place did ram up so till you couldn't find no if it turn up, no even at the door. And Jesus preached God's word to them. Some people come there with one crippled man to see Jesus, and four of the man them did a carry him. But sake of the crowd, them couldn't get the man in at the house where Jesus there. So the man them tear off part of the house top and let down the man upon him stretcher. When Jesus see how the man them believe in him said to the crippled man, say, "Me picnic, me pardon you from all of your sin them." Some of the law teacher them did sit down there and them start think hard to themselves, say, "Oh, what wrong with that man you doing? Oh, him for say them sitting there. Him a disrespect God. No only God one can pardon sin." But same time, Jesus pick up in him spirit what them did a think. So him said to them, say, "When me could not think them sitting there in our heart, which one easier? If tell the crippled man, me pardon you sin them, or if tell him say, turn up, pick up your stretcher and walk. But if make you know, me go show you say, the man where God pick have the right and the power to pardon sin upon earth." So him said to the crippled man, say, "Listen to me, turn up, take up your stretcher and go your yard." The man get up same time, take up him stretcher and head for him yard while everybody did a watch him. The people did shock and them praise God and say, "We never seen nothing like this before." Jesus called Levi. Jesus go back on the seaside and whole heap of people get up round him and him teach them. When him did dep on him way, him see Levi, Alphaeus boy, sit on which part people collect tax. Jesus said to him, say, "Follow me." So him get up and follow Jesus. After that, Jesus go near Levi yard and enough tax collector and people who do wrong did come sit down and yam with him and him special follow them, because a whole heap of people did a follow him. When the law teacher them and the Pharisee them said Jesus did a yam with tax collector and people who do wrong, them ask him follow them, say, "What make him a yam with the tax collector and wrongdoer?" When Jesus hear what them say, him say to them, say, "People when are sick no need doctor. Only sick people need doctor. Me then come here to tell people where do right, to turn from them wrong. And people where do wrong me come here for." Keep away from food. Now, John the Baptist follower them and the Pharisee them did a keep away from food. Some people come to Jesus and ask him, say, "What make John follower them and the Pharisee them a keep away from food and few follower them nah do that?" Jesus answered them, say, "You think say the people them where the bridegroom invite and wedding fi keep away from food when amongst them? When the bridegroom them amongst them can't keep away from food. But the time a go come when the bridegroom a go get take away from them, that time them will keep away from food." Nobody no use piece of new cloth to patch up old clothes. If them do that, when them wash the clothes, the new cloth a go tear away from the old one and left one bigger hole than where they did it before. Nobody no throw new wine in a old wine bottle. If them do that, the wine a go bust up the bottle a go mash up and the wine a go waste. What people do I put new wine in a new wine bottle. Jesus allowed for the Sabbath. One Sabbath, Jesus and him special follower them did a go through one wheat field. Him follower them start pick some of the wheat them when them did a pass through. So some Pharisee asked Jesus, say, "Look here, what make them a do what the law said them not to do upon the Sabbath?" Jesus answered them, say, "Uno never read what David did do when him and him friend them did hungry. Or him go in a God house when time Abiathar are the leader for the priest them. Nyam the holy bread with the last time with the priest them forget. And I'll give him friend them some. Then Jesus said to them, say, the Sabbath they make for people. People never make for the Sabbath. Cause at that the man where God pick, at him rule. And him rule all over the Sabbath. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.